Namaskar and a very warm welcome. Today we are celebrating the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi through online medium. We do hope that you and your family is safe during the trying times of COVID-19 when the entire world is grappling with this particular disease. To start the celebration, I would like to invite our Charge d'Affaires, Mrs. Anita Shukla, to say a few words.
Good morning to you all, and my greetings on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of Indian nation. Mahatma Gandhi was an Indian, but he did not belong to India only. Mahatma Gandhi was not limited to any era either. Mahatma Gandhi influenced many international leaders around the world. His message of non-violence and peaceful coexistence is eternal and universal, and highly relevant for today's conflict-prone world. The United Nations honored Mahatma Gandhi and declared his birth anniversary 2nd October as the International Day of Non-Violence in recognition of his role in India's freedom movement and inspiring movements of civil rights and freedom across the world. To mark the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, 2-year-long celebrations began in India and across the world on 2nd October 2018. The embassy organized several events during this period. The most notable was an occasion of great pride and honor when the Vice President of India, Shri Venkaiah Naidu, unveiled the bust of Mahatma Gandhi at the prestigious National Library of Latvia in Riga in August 2019. We thank the government of Latvia and the National Library for this gracious gesture. We are hopeful that the bust of Mahatma Gandhi would be a source of inspiration to the visitors of National Library in Riga. Another remarkable feat was the singing of Vaishnav Jan To Tene Kahiye by the prominent singers and musicians from around the world, approximately 155 countries. Vaishnav Jan To Tene Kahiye was a favorite devotional bhajan of Mahatma Gandhi. At an initiative of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, singers from across the world sang this bhajan in its original language, that is Gujarati, on its original music track. It was indeed remarkable that the whole world joined together through the singing of Vaishnav Jan To Tene Kahiye. My heartiest compliments to Charlotta Hult Ramberg for singing Vaishnav Jan To Tene Kahiye from Sweden and Inga Lalita Dasika for singing this bhajan from Latvia. It was also a momentous occasion when slides showing Mahatma Gandhi's message was projected on the majestic Riga City Council building in October 2018. During our various celebrations, many prominent personalities from Sweden and Latvia shared their thoughts on Mahatma Gandhi and his philosophy. Thank you all for your thoughtful insights. We also organized a Gandhi Katha by Dr. Shobna Radhakrishnan, the chief functionary of the Gandhian Forum for Ethical Corporate Governance, earlier this month. Gandhiji said, "The world has enough for everyone's needs, but not everyone's greed." This is highly relevant today, particularly when the world is faced with challenges like climate change and global warming. Interest in Gandhian thought and action is on the rise, and his message to the world appears uniquely relevant even today. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, we have arranged today's program virtually, and I welcome you all to watch it. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. It was very inspiring.